Hello and welcome to Stay Alert. A big fire started in a field in Weld County, Colorado. The fire was spreading fast. One farmer saw the fire and got worried. He wanted to help his neighbor. He quickly ran to his house, took his tractor and equipment, and started working fast to stop the fire. He made a fire break so the fire could not spread. Because of his quick action, the fire did not reach his neighbor's field. His bravery and kindness saved the crops. This shows how important it is to help each other in difficult times. For more, subscribe our channel, Stay Alert, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you.